Karibu tena katika somo letu la leo. Leo tunakwenda kujifunza namna ya kutengeneza lens au Miller formula. So how to derive the lens formula. We may see in our diagram. Tunayo diagram yetu kama inavyoonekana. This is lens, hii ni lens and this is object. Na hiki ni kitu. Taswira yake ni hii huku. This is the height of the object and this is the height of the image. Height of the object denoted by h na height ya image iko denoted by h dash. That is very very important. Umbali from the object to the lens ni u na umbali of the image from the lens is v. Umbali kutoka image ilipo kwenda kwenye lens ni v na umbali wa object kuja kwenye lens ni u. This is a focal length. There is no problem on that. Tunazo angles. Tuna angles ambazo pembe tatu ambazo zinafanana. Tuna pembe tatu hii this pembe tatu, this triangle ambayo imetokana na angle A. Sasa here is A and also here is A. And also here is A. Kama hapa ni A na hapa ni A. We have another triangle made by angle B. If here is B and also here is B. Kitu cha kuzingatia ni kwamba pembe tatu zinazotokana na angle ya A zinafanana na pembe tatu ambazo zinatokana na angle ya B they are equal. So let's start with the triangles made by A. Triangles made by A. Let's say tan A. Tan A is equal to, here tan A is equal to opposite of adjacent. So we take our opposite is H, of adjacent is U. That is very very important to note. Very very important to note. So it is very very interesting and very very important to note. So we have this triangle, but also we have another triangle made by A. Opposite is H, H dash, of adjacent is V. Of adjacent is V. So that is a triangles made by angle A. So if that the case, ikiwa hivyo ndivyo ilivyo, tunaweza kusema sasa this h over h dash is equal to u over v. U over v. H over h dash is equal to u over v. Hii ni equation ya kwanza. Hii ni equation ya kwanza ambayo triangles made by A. Tunaenda triangle made by B. Triangle ambazo zimetengenezwa kwa B. Triangle made by B. Triangle made by B, this kuna hii na hii. We have this and this. So for this tan B is equal to opposite of adjacent. So we have H of adjacent is F. Of adjacent is F. That is very very important to note. But also we have tan B. Tan B is equal to this with this distance. This distance is equal to V minus focal length. Umbali huu ni kuchukua V kutoa nini? Focal length. Take this you minus this distance which is a focal length. So So again, tan B here is equal to opposite. Opposite is H dash over adjacent is V minus F. So if you continue, you can say H over H dash is equal to F over V minus F. That is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Kwa hiyo tuna equation ya kwanza hii na tuna equation ya pili hiyo. Equation ya kwanza inatokana na triangle hii na triangle hii. Equation ya pili inatokana na triangle hii na triangle this one. Compare the equations, compare equation 1, compare equation 1 and the equation 2. Compare equation 1 and equation 2. If you compare equation 1 and equation 2, you can have u over v is equal to f over v minus f. If you cross multiplication, cross multiplication utapata vf is equal to uv minus uf. So uv is equal to vf plus uf. Hii ikienda in another side. We have f tuna factor out. So uv is equal to f in bracket v plus u. Then we divide by f. Uv over f is equal to f in bracket v plus u over f. So finally, you are going to have uv over f is equal to v plus u. After that you have uv over f divided by uv is equal to u plus v over uv. Kwa hiyo utaona uv na uv inaisha, so we have 1 over f is equal to u over uv plus v over uv. Here you may see u and u cancel, so we are going to have 1 over f is equal to 1 over v plus v and v cancel plus 1 over u, which actually is Miller formula. Kwa hiyo namna ya kuderive Miller formula, you have to be very important. Uelewe kabisa kwamba unakuwa na diagram kama hii. This is object. Hii ni object ambayo ina height h, imekuwa reflected na ikatengeneza image yake. This is the image. The height of the image is h dash. That is very, very important. The distance from the object to the lens is u, and the distance of the image to the lens is v. This v here, umbali wa taswira kuja kwenye lens ni v, na umbali wa object kuja kwenye lens ni u. This is the focal length. The distance from this center to this center of sphere to the principal focus. For this is the principal focus, is focal length this. Kwa hiyo ukiangalia hapo kuna pembe tatu zinazotengenezwa na angle A na kuna pembe tatu zinazotengenezwa na angle B. Pembe tatu ambazo zinatengenezwa na angle A, we have this and this. We have this and this. Na pembe tatu ambayo inatengenezwa na angle B, we have this and this. Kwa hiyo tukianza na angle tatu, the triangle made by A, tunatafuta tan. Tan of A, kupata tan unachukua opposite over adjacent. Sasa tan A tukianza na hii opposite ni H, adjacent yake ni U, so H over U. Lakini another triangle made by A, the opposite is H dash, ambayo itakuwa H dash, divided by adjacent, ambayo distance from here to here, ambayo ni image distance, which is V, this V. So divide by H dash and U, cross multiplications. No, you divide by H dash, you interchange H dash here and U there. So H over H dash, U over V. Kwa hii ni equation 1 ambayo inatokana na angle made by A. Ukienda angle made by B, tunayo triangle E, hii hapa, ambayo ukitafuta tan ya B is equal to opposite. Opposite yake ni H, ambayo hii ni sawasawa na hapa. The H is also here. Hii H ni sawasawa iko hapa. So you take what? Tan B is equal to H over adjacent. Adjacent this distance, which is focal length. So is H over F. But another triangle this, another triangle ni triangle ambayo imetokana na image, ambayo kimsingi ni opposite. Opposite yake ni H dash, adjacent yake ni umbali kutoka hapa, the distance from here to here, ambayo kimsingi is equal to V minus focal length. You get V minus focal length. So the triangle, it will be the tan H dash over V minus F. So as usual, you divide by H dash and F go there. So H over H dash is equal to F over V minus F. Ukienda kucompare the formula, kwa sababu hii ni H dash over H over H dash and also here H over H dash. So if you compare, you may see itakuwa ni UV is equal to F over V minus F. Here U over V is equal to F minus V. You cross multiplication. Ukicross multiplication utapata V times F, you get VF, and U times V you get UV, U times F you get UF. UF ametolewa, anahamia another side, so you are going to have UV is equal to VF plus UF. Pana F, pana F. So you factor out F. In bracket it will be UV is equal to F in bracket V plus U. Divide by F, divide by F. So you are going to get UV over F is equal to V plus U. Then divide by UV, divide by UV. If you divide by UV, UV and UV cancel, you are going to have 1 over F is equal to U over UV plus V over UV. So you may see V and V cancel, you are going to remain with the 1 over V, and also V and V cancel, you are going to remain with the 1 over U. So this is how unaweza ukaderive hiyo ambayo ni Lenz formula or Miller formula. So it is very, very important to note this material. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. Thanks.